So, let me tell you my story. About 30 minutes ago, we practiced with my teammates about dancing. So, what happened today is that we practiced about modern dance, and since I am the assigned leader, I am the one who make the dance. So, simple short story. It is me. I have no idea how to dance. I have no idea how to choreograph, yet I still do it. So, what I will share to you right now is my practical step that I did on choreographing how to dance as a beginner. As in, no experience required. I'll just share what I did so that you can also create your own dance in your team. So, first, you must know the topic. You must know what genre are you going to dance. Tapos, magtatagalog na lang tuloy ako. Sige, sige. Since, Tagalog lang naman ang nakakaintindi nito. So, after mo malaman yung genre mo, after mo malaman yung topic ng dancing, what you will do is that, hahanapin mo yung mga related na videos. Pwedeng sa YouTube, pwedeng sa Facebook. After nyan, i-download mo. After mo ma-download yung video na yon, hindi sa YouTube kundi yung MP4, as in video file talaga, is that I will watch it, and whenever na may nagustuhan akong dance, steps, dance, formation, ikakat ko yung scene na yon gamit yung application na CapCut, tapos i-compile ko. Ngayon, after that, I will repeat that process over and over again until maka-reach na ako ng around 5 minutes, 7 minutes, up to 10 minutes worth of cutted steps, cutted choreographs. And after that, I will now select my own music. My music can either come from yung mga napanood kong mga music, and I will cut it and ensure that nagtutugma yung mga countings. Now comes what's the interesting part. Pag nag-dance kasi, I know you already experienced this when you have your trainer na ang normal counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5. Mga ganon, di ba? So, what you will do after you have your musics that ika-counting mo siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after it, I will write it in the notebook, and I will write the senyales kung ano ba yun. Either lyrics, ano ba yung word doon, or beat, ano ba yung beat doon. So that whenever I find things in that compiled choreo, compiled steps, parang madali mong ma-identify kung ano ba yung mga steps na yun. Now that you already have your list, I don't know if I still have it here, but I'll try looking. Just hold on a second. Okay. Wala dito. So, di ba, may list ka ng mga countings. And meron kang video sa cellphone mo ng mga compiled. So, ang gagawin ko yon is, parang ima-match ko, parang matching type. Kung ano yung parang magandas dito, maganda dito, maganda dito. Parang i-combine mo na lang siya. So, practically, what I did is that I synthesize all the steps, all the music, and combine it into one to create a new and unique dance steps. So basically, very basic lang naman, especially kapag basic kang choreographer, basic kang dancing. Kasi ako talaga, hindi naman talaga ako dancer, yung katawan ko hindi naman pang world class na galawan. Pero, in simple ways, natututo rin tayo sa diskarte. And as part of the school performance, no choice, gagawa tayo nito. So, that's all. I hope these tips have helped you on how to choreograph as a beginner. So, may part na parang di malinaw, siguro sa future videos kapag naalala ko pa to. I create a new comprehensive guide. Anyways, always do your best for your future self. Mwah.